Delve into the flavors of Brazil with this extended Pacoca recipe. A traditional and beloved treat that's a staple in Brazilian cuisine. Pacoca, known for its sweet, nutty flavor and unique crumbly texture, is made primarily from ground peanuts, offering a delightful taste experience. Ingredients: 2 cups of roasted, unsalted peanuts, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, optional, 1/2 cup of cassava flour farinha de mandioca for added texture. Instructions: 1. Roast the peanuts. Begin by roasting the peanuts in a preheated oven at 350 F 175 C for about 10 minutes or until they're golden brown and aromatic. Allow them to cool completely. 2. Grind the peanuts. Once cooled, grind the peanuts in a food processor or grinder until they become a fine powder. Be careful not to over-process, as the peanuts can turn into peanut butter. 3. Mix the ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the ground peanuts, sugar, and a pinch of salt. If you're using cassava flour, add it to the mixture. The cassava flour is not essential, but can add a unique texture to the Pacoca. 4. Shape the Pacoca. Press the mixture into a mold to form small rectangles or cylinders. If you don't have a mold, you can shape the Pacoca by hand. The mixture should be crumbly, but should hold together when pressed. 5. Serve and enjoy. Serve your Pacoca as a delightful snack or dessert. It's perfect for satisfying a sweet tooth and is a favorite during Brazilian festivals and celebrations. Serving suggestions: Pacoca can be enjoyed on its own, or crumbled over desserts like ice cream or yogurt for added texture and flavor. It pairs wonderfully with a cup of coffee or a cold glass of milk. Relish the extended Brazilian Pacoca recipe, a simple yet delicious treat that captures the essence of Brazil's culinary traditions. Each bite of Pacoca offers a harmonious blend of sweet and nutty flavors, making it the beloved snack for all ages.